Construction site hygiene encourages good housekeeping, provides workers with clean drinking water, sanitary restrooms, and washing facilities to clean up. These practices encourage good worker hygiene and helps avoid cross-contamination to safeguard everyone's health and safety. So, how to do good housekeeping? Clean the job site after major tasks or at least daily. Avoid the buildup of hazardous, flammable or combustible materials. Collect all scrap lumber out of the way and remove protruding nails from the walls and other surfaces. Keep walkways, work areas and stairs clean and clear. Ensure that all the workers have adequate fall protection from heights. Clean drinking water should be provided with the help of plumbed drinking fountains or with clean portable containers. Make sure that water containers are clearly labeled. If there is non-drinkable water source on the site, it should be clearly labeled that the water is not safe for drinking, washing, or cooking. Bathroom facilities are required separately for male and female workers. Each of the bathroom may contain a toilet and urinal, but half of them must have a toilet.